Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi guys, today we're going to see about the text formatting option. So the first thing is about you can see the under the client, so which shows it's easier spelling was spelled wrong. So you just click on it, it automatically shows the correct. Use this suggestion, or you can click ignore option here, or command and more option are here. So you can just click it and then select the text that you should be formatted. Just right click on here, you can see copy, paste and paste without formatting, delete option, command, insert link, and insert emoji reactions, and lot of options are here. And you can also change the pages to landscape and format options, or a lot of other options are here. So after selecting here, you can see first thing was the normal text or title, or you can choose the size of the text, and then you can change the font, and you can see there is a lot of other font, and here you can change the size of the text that you want to make it as a title or subtitle, whatever. Then here you can make it as bold. Then the next option was italic, and this next option was you can underline the text like this. So you can also turn it off whenever that you want, and you can also change the color of the text, and you can also make a highlighter for that. For an example, it look like this, exactly like a text box. And then you can also select it, and you can insert a link, and you can a lot of the options. You can also change the position of the text, and you can also make a spacing of the text. These are the basic text formatting on Google Docs I just showing. And here the checklist, bullets, you can make it as bullet, or you can make it as numbering. And these are the basic necessary things that you should know while you are typing in Google Docs. These are the basic text formatting options. I think this video helpful to make a basic startup for the Google Docs. Try this option on Google Docs and make your document now. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. So you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and I am Tilak. We will watch our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.